Students, now we will see the revised science syllabus for class 9th for the year 2020-21. The subject code it is 086. General instruction. There will be an annual examination based on the entire syllabus. The annual examination will be of 80 marks. Here the entire syllabus means revised syllabus. The annual examination will be conducted for 80 marks and 20 marks are weightage for you there for your internal assessment. For internal assessment, there is 20 marks for you. In those 20 marks, now it is subdivided. Marks are divided here. Those are for first one, periodic assessment. Periodic assessment is for 5 marks. That means the periodic test which is conducted by the school, they consider it for 5 marks. Then the remaining 5 marks is for diverse methods. Those are small tests conducted in the class, oral test, quiz, concept maps, project or posters. For them, they were giving 5 marks. And subject enrichment is 5 marks. Subject enrichment here is the practical or laboratory experiments what you are doing in the school. Then remaining 5 marks is for portfolio. Portfolio is a type of the assignment like or a small test like conducted in the classroom by the teacher. Now we will see the annual examination marks allotment. How many marks are coming from each part? Usually the the syllabus is divided into 3 parts, that is chemistry, biology and physics. Now see here, totally you are having 3 units. First unit is matter, its nature and behavior. It totally comes under chemistry part. The weightage of the chemistry for you in the final examination, that is in the annual examination, it is 27 marks. Then unit 2, organization in the living world. The total part is bio part. From that you are getting 26 marks in the final examination. Unit 3 is motion, force and work, that is of physics. Totally you are getting 27 marks in the final examination. Total marks it is 80 marks. 80 marks it is conducted. The annual examination is for 80 marks and is conducted, and to this internal assessment marks 20 marks will be added. Total grand total it is 100 marks. Now we will see the what is the revised syllabus for the science. First we will go through the chemistry. Unit 1, matter, its nature and behavior. You are having 3 chapters in this. Those are chapter 2, is matter around us pure? Third chapter, atoms and molecules. Fourth chapter, structure of the atoms. Totally for your annual examination for this academic year, you are having only 3 chapters. What are those? Chapter 2, chapter 3 and chapter 4. Then biology. Biology, from that what you are having 3 chapters. Those are fifth chapter, cell basic unit of life is there, and the 6th chapter, tissues is there, and also 13th chapter, why do we fall ill. Total from biology part you are having in the final examination only 3 chapters. Then physics. In the physics part, you have 4 chapters. Those are chapter 8, motion, chapter 9, force and law of motion, chapter 10, gravitation. In the gravitation chapter, only half of the chapter is there and the remaining half it is deleted. The revised gravitation chapter, what does it contain? It is universal law of gravitation, force of gravitation of the earth, gravity, acceleration due to gravity, mass and weight, free fall. These are the topics which are there for you in the 10th chapter, gravitation. Next one, 11th chapter, work, energy and power. Totally from the physics part, you are having 4 chapters to the final, that is to the annual examination. Those are chapter 8, chapter 9, chapter 10 and chapter 11. In those chapter 10, only half of the chapter is there. Next one, see internal assessment. Internal assessment, I told you already, 5 marks, periodic test 5 marks, the test conducted by the teacher in the class 5 marks for your laboratory experiments, and remaining 5 marks is for portfolio. Here one specification is there that the chapter number 14, that is natural resources. This is the chapter it was taught by the teacher in the class, but this chapter is there only for internal assessment, that is also they have to give in the form of a portfolio. Here the portfolio, it may be small periodic test like, or it may be the assignment like, whatever the teacher she want to do, then she will conduct the thing in the class. What is the chapter name? 14th chapter, natural resources. It is there for you in the internal assessment. Next we will see the revised practical syllabus what you are having. That is, you are having totally 8 experiments. From which chapter this experiment it came, it also presented here. Please go through it. First one, preparation of true solutions, suspensions and colloidal solutions. First experiment, unit 1. From unit 1, one more, that is preparation of a mixture and a compound. Then from unit 1 also one more experiment, perform the following reactions and classify them as physical and chemical changes. You have to classify it after conducting the experiment. Then fourth one, preparation of stained temporary mounts of onion peel, human cheek cells to record observation and draw their label diagram. Fifth one, identification of plant tissues and animal tissues. Sixth one, determination of the density of the solid. Then seventh one, that is establishing the relation between the loss in weight of the solid when fully immersed in tap water or strongly salty water. Then eighth experiment is verification of the law of conservation of mass. These are the experiments what you are having in this year 2020 to 21. Next we will see the what are the deleted science syllabus also, just for a glance. The deleted portion is your first chapter is deleted, that is matter in our surroundings. Then 7th chapter, diversity in living organisms is deleted. Then 15th chapter, improvement in food resources also deleted. Then from the 10th chapter, gravitation, in that only half the chapter is deleted. The deleted part is thrust and pressure, Archimedes principle, buoyancy, elementary idea of relative density. Then 12th chapter, it is totally deleted, that is sound chapter. Here totally you are having 3.5 chapters are deleted in this academic year. Then the practicals, deleted practical syllabus. Separation of the compounds of a mixture. Determination of melting point of ice and boiling point of water. Verification of law of reflection of sound. Determination of the speed of a pulse propagated through a stretched string. Next, study of the characteristics of Spirogyra, Agaricus, mosses, fern, pinus, etc. and also angiospermic plant. Then observe the given picture, chart, model of the earthworm, cockroach, bony fish and birds and everything. This was deleted. Then the 7th experiment, study of the external features of the root, stem, leaf and flower, monocot and dicot plant. These are the deleted practical syllabus, so no need to write in the record. Thank you, students.